Welcome to this video on the Autonomous ML Engineer. This system is designed to redefine how machine learning engineering tasks are approached. The Autonomous ML Engineer functions as a full-stack, end-to-end system that never sleeps. It is built around an orchestrator node that manages agents for every stage, from data exploration and feature engineering to model tuning and live deployment. This autonomous multi-agent orchestrator sets a new state-of-the-art, achieving superior performance validated across over 75 diverse Kaggle competitions. We will demonstrate the system's capabilities by solving a challenging real-world problem, building a chat moderation pipeline with the constraint of zero initial data. The goal is high recall and low latency. In Stage 1, the system begins by autonomously defining the moderation taxonomy and writing comprehensive annotation guidelines without any human input. Instead of manual curation, the agent then engineers a Python-based generation framework to programmatically build a synthetic English dataset covering all designated edge cases. The data prep phase concludes with the system outputting a fully validated CSV dataset alongside its JSON schema, ensuring balanced coverage across all harmful content categories prior to training. The orchestrator then transitions autonomously to model selection and training, initiating a logistic regression baseline without any manual intervention. Evaluation and metrics show the model is optimized for the success criteria, achieving an F1 score of 0.924 and a high recall of 0.900 for harmful content detection. Moving to deployment prep, the agent wraps the trained model into a deployable backend, writing the fast API routing and validation logic for real-time inference. The system autonomously generates comprehensive audit trail metrics, responsibility checks, and API documentation to ensure production-grade compliance. Crucially, the system enforces a human-in-the-loop control, pausing at critical junctures for human review and strategic approval before pushing to a live environment. Upon approval, the system autonomously codes and compiles a functional front-end interface, deploying the entire API and dashboard to the production cluster. The result is a fully operational, real-time moderation environment, built from scratch in a single setting, complete with live metrics for latency and throughput. The autonomous ML workflow redefines efficiency. Tasks that once required weeks are now executed flawlessly in minutes. Engineers focus on strategy while the system handles end-to-end implementation.